Hello and welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you the fastest way to clear out all your uploads in Canva. Open Canva, navigate to Projects, then select the project you want to work on to begin editing your design efficiently. Scroll down to the Folders section to find your uploaded files. Click the Upload button to add new files to this directory. Next, review the uploaded files in the list. To proceed, simply select all the files you want to include by clicking each one or using the Select All option. After selecting items to delete, the system displays the number of chosen files. Review the count to ensure accuracy. When ready, click the Move to Trash button to delete the selected item safely. This process helps prevent accidental deletions and keeps your files organized. To demonstrate, first select the item you want to remove. Click once to highlight it. Next, locate the trash icon in your toolbar. Click the trash to move the selected item there. If you're using a keyboard shortcut, press the delete key instead. This action doesn't permanently delete the item, it's moved to the trash folder for safety. To restore a mistakenly trashed item, open the trash, select the item, and click Restore. Remember, emptying the trash will permanently delete all items inside, so review carefully before doing so. This process helps keep your workspace organized and clutter-free. To delete an image from Canva, first go to the trash by clicking the trash icon. In Trash, you will see all items you have deleted, including images and uploads. Find the image you want to remove permanently. To delete it completely, select the image and then click Delete from Trash. This action will permanently remove the image from your Canva account. Use this method whenever you want to clear up space or remove unwanted images from your uploads. Deleting from trash ensures the item cannot be recovered later. Now you know how to delete all uploads in Canva. Smash that like button and subscribe for more quick tips.